Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the wild world of chemistry to uncover the secrets of a true superstar, sulfuric acid. This stuff is potent. Sulfuric acid is the real MVP of the chemical world. From the cars we drive to the clothes we wear, this powerful acid is in a mind-blowing number of things we use every day. You might be surprised to learn just how much sulfuric acid impacts your daily routine. It's like the invisible best friend that's always got your back. Remember that killer smartphone you're always glued to? You can thank sulfuric acid for helping to make the battery that keeps it powered up. And that super comfy mattress you sleep on every night? Yep, sulfuric acid played a part in making the foam inside it. But wait, there's more. Love a good Netflix binge-watching session? You better believe sulfuric acid helped produce the plastic in your TV and your remote control. And don't even get me started on your car. From the battery to the tires, sulfuric acid is a crucial ingredient in keeping you on the road. So, the next time you're scrolling through your phone, think of all the hard work sulfuric acid did to make that possible. This silent partner is always working overtime to keep our modern world running smoothly. Okay folks, it's time to put on our hard hats and safety goggles because we're heading into the industrial heartland, the factory floor. And let me tell you, this is where sulfuric acid really shines. This powerhouse chemical is like the foreman of the factory, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. From manufacturing fertilizers that help farmers grow your food to creating the vibrant dyes that make your clothes pop, sulfuric acid is one busy bee. It's the key ingredient in making paper, detergents, and even explosives. Don't worry, we're talking about the controlled kind used in mining and construction. Think of a bustling factory as a beehive, with worker bees buzzing around tirelessly. Sulfuric acid is like the queen bee, directing all the action and making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. It's the unsung hero of the industrial world, quietly making our lives better, one chemical reaction at a time. Section 4. Sulfuric acid, the unsung hero of medicine. Now let's trade in our hard hats for lab coats and stethoscopes as we explore the fascinating world of medicine, where sulfuric acid plays a surprisingly important role. While you won't find it listed on the ingredients of your daily multivitamin, thank goodness, this versatile chemical is a key player in producing many life-saving medications. Think of sulfuric acid as a behind-the-scenes stage manager in a grand Broadway production. It doesn't get the spotlight or take a bow, but it's essential for ensuring the show goes on. From chemotherapy drugs that fight cancer to antibiotics that battle infections, sulfuric acid is a critical ingredient in the manufacturing process. So the next time you take your vitamins or need a dose of medicine, remember the unsung hero working behind the scenes. Sulfuric acid might not be the star of the show, but it's a crucial supporting actor in keeping us healthy and thriving. Fun facts about sulfuric acid. Get ready to be wowed. Hold on to your seats, science fans, because it's time for some rapid-fire fun facts about our favorite acid. Did you know that sulfuric acid is so thirsty, it can actually suck the water right out of the air? Ever heard of Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system? Well, get this. Its atmosphere is filled with sulfuric acid clouds. So there you have it. Who knew sulfuric acid could be so fascinating? Section 6. Sulfuric acid. It's got your back and your car battery. Well, folks, there you have it. The amazing world of sulfuric acid. We've explored its everyday uses, its industrial muscle, its medical marvels, and even some fun facts that'll make you the star of your next science trivia night. From powering our smartphones to helping produce life-saving medications, sulfuric acid is the ultimate multitasker. It's like the Swiss Army knife of chemicals, always ready to tackle any challenge and make our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. So, the next time you hear the word acid, don't freak out. Remember our friend sulfuric acid, the unsung hero working tirelessly behind the scenes to make our world a brighter, more awesome place. Just remember to leave the handling of this powerful chemical to the experts. Stay curious, science fans.